In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Excel in a way that best suits your needs, whether you're looking for something simple and budget-friendly or a more comprehensive package. Let's dive into these options to find the perfect fit for you. First up, let's talk about the best simple and cost-effective option: Excel for the web. This version allows you to use Excel online for free through Microsoft 365 for the web. Absolutely no purchase necessary. All you need is a Microsoft account. Once you have that, you can sign in, open your web browser, and start using Excel. This is an excellent choice if you're mostly looking for basic features and have reliable internet access, as it's both the most budget-friendly and one of the easiest options out there. You won't have to worry about shelling out any money, and you still get access to the core functionalities of Excel that you might need for day-to-day tasks. Just keep in mind, this option is entirely web-based, so think of it as a great solution if you're comfortable working online. Now, if you're seeking something more robust with more features, consider the subscription option, which is affordable and offers full features. Microsoft 365 Personal comes with the complete Office suite, which includes not just Excel, but also Word, PowerPoint, and more. It's available for $9.99 a month for one user, and as part of the package, you get access to both desktop and mobile apps, along with a generous 1 TB of storage. This option ensures you receive ongoing updates, and it works seamlessly across multiple devices, providing more flexibility for your usage needs. So, if you're someone who needs Excel at your fingertips, regardless of where you are or what device you have on hand, this could be the ideal choice for you. Lastly, for those who prefer a one-time purchase option that offers lifetime access, there's the Office Home and Business 2021 package. This will set you back $322.99, but gives you a lifetime license to Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. It's an investment, but one that pays off if you like the idea of avoiding monthly fees and owning your software outright. Alternatively, if you're searching for a more pocket-friendly lifetime option, keep an eye out for promotions like the current lifetime deal for Office Professional 2021, available via Stack Social for just $50 USD. This offer includes Excel and represents excellent value, assuming it suits your requirements and setup. Just remember, these promotions are often limited time, so they're a great deal if you can catch them at the right moment. With these choices laid out, you're now equipped with the information you need to make the best decision regarding how to get Microsoft Excel in a way that aligns with your preferences and budget. Choose what works best for you, and happy excelling.